Hello, my name is Lidis Parra. I am from Bucaramanga, Santander. On my last vacation, my family and I went to Chicamocha Park. We went to that place because we wanted to have and contact with nature, see the beautiful landscapes, and had fun in the amazing pool that place had. We had really excited experience and we did not spend too much money. We bought a hotel some months ago and it was very cheap and stayed there 2 days. The weather was so nice. To the always shining during the day and night weather always cool and windy. We wore our hats and sunglasses to protect our skin from the sun rays. If you want to go to that place, you must take into account a couple of things. For example, you should book a hotel and a parking previously due to many people were there on vacation. You should not forget your sunscreen. Sunrise can be very strong in summer and it could affect your skin and health. If you are traveling by bus, you should take bus in Bucaramanga on the bus station or in San Hill. It takes about 2 hours. You should not forget your swimming suit, so you are now allowed to swim in the pools without. I had an amazing time there. You had to buy.
Ahí. ¿Lo detuvimos?
Creo que ya está, ¿no? Okay.
Porque estaba el símbolo de stop.
Sí, pero no sé qué pasó. Aléjalo, guía.